Okay, I got Jay holding the camera, and I started making the first pass, and then I stopped. Jay, why don't you come over here and check this out. See how it's right on this tape line, the outer edge of that cutter. And then I'm probably going to get up to this area, and the cutter's going to start digging too deep, and I'm going to have to back it off a little bit and do a shallower cut and just play it by ear. I'll just have to keep adjusting this to see how far I don't want to cut too much at one time up front. So here, back up a little bit, Jay, and then I'm going to start this up. Let me get my safety glasses.